stinky about to come out. It's almost time for my job to clean. Much better. Now she's white inside instead of tan. Because this car was NA before. Showtime, baby. Today Edgar is getting to work on Matt's Mark IV Supra build. I'll go ahead and show you what we're working with. We have stock 2JZ GE short block.
Yep.
Built head. We'll go ahead and talk about that in a minute. What kind of head gasket did you go ahead and?
HKS head gasket with 635 head studs. It should have no problems with the gasket seal.
Cool. Matt's head's been built, and we're gonna slap it on the stock bottom end.
Slap it. Cam springs, some mild porting, and I think we even did valves in this head. I think you can see. Yeah, we did valves in this head because I think his old valves seen better days. A couple of them were slightly pitted on the face, and rather than just cutting them, we just threw new valves in, stock sized. You do not need oversized valves. So we'll get ready to put this thing on and get this engine put together.
And you painted the block.
Yeah, we just cleaned up the block a little bit and then put some engine enamel on it, just to so it doesn't look like a crusty 30-year-old block.
Explain to me the carbon buildup on these pistons, and that's okay?
Yeah, that comes from running pump gas. That's normal. I'm sure guys will be like, clean the carbon buildup on the pistons. It's literally going to go right back on there as soon as this car does some hits on pump gas. Pump gas runs very dirty. This is the byproduct of running pump gas. You cleaning off the tops of the pistons is not really doing anything but etching at the top of the piston. Some manufacturers put a coating on the tops of their factory pistons to help reduce carbon buildup, so then you're effectively cutting through that, and you're also getting all that crap that comes loose into the top ringland.
Because so we're not taking the bottom end apart.
Right. If you really want to clean this off, some of the easiest things you can do is inject seafoam into the intake while the engine is running, and it'll create like a steam clean on the pistons. You can do the same thing with water, but I mean it's really not the end of the world. This isn't built up too much to where it's like we're raising the compression ratio 2 points. Yeah, it's literally just some crap on the top. Can't even get it off. I mean, it's not even loose. It's not even coming off. Yeah. So I'm not even gonna waste my time.
I would say this would be a similar build to Edwards, which is ironically here for some maintenance. Actually, get ready to get picked up. There he is, right there. Built head on that stock bottom end, right, Edgar?
Yeah.
So, got quite a few of these Supras here. It's about time we'll get to work on you, Matt. You the main Supra. We have to finish doing the undercoating, right, on the car?
Yeah, everything in the rear is done. Just gotta do the midsection of the car towards the front half, and then we can start wrapping things up and putting things back in the car. We're still waiting on a couple things from powder coat.
What are you doing with this?
Powder coat? It's a bit more crusty than we hoped for. Strip it down to the subframe, take the control arms off, wire wheel and clean all this shit up and paint the arms, and you can't powder coat an arm that's got no serviceable ball joint on it, unfortunately, so just have to paint those.
So yeah, we're gonna try to make some progress today. Go ahead and get this put together, and then I'll show you the finished results. So, she looked good. Ready to make some jam, Matt. we have new trunk stuff coming for him, like a deck or something, because this is not the good type of custom.
Not the custom you want.
Yeah.
It's up there. I don't know. I've had a couple crystal ones come through.
This one does have a lot of rust.
Right. But that's like you can see all the spot wells where it goes to the inside.
Pinch weld is all rusted.
And that pinch weld doesn't run the normal path. It seems to go straight because they normally come and go out like that. That one looks like it's straight all the way back.
Yeah, all the stuff that says matte, which would be like exhaust, we have a bunch of stuff from Powerhouse Racing, turbo stuff, turbo housing. There is the, I don't think there the diff is. The diff is in the front, but there's the gear, I'm not sure. The old gears, because we have that changed. Yeah, I'll have to set all this up when we're ready, just to kind of show you. We